Hey, Geneva, Illinois. This is Richard Freedkin, Realtor with eXp Realty, coming back to you with another edition of my monthly real estate market report. And this covers the month of September and previous months, shows you all the real estate activity that took place last month. So without further ado, let me share my screen and we will get right to this. Now, if you've been tuning into these over the past few months, you'll notice that I give a spreadsheet on what's going on and kind of explain it a little bit and gives you an idea of where things are at in your real estate market. So check this out. For the month of September, we had 33 homes that as of the end of September were still active on the market, not yet under contract. We had 35 homes that were currently under contract, and that was down from 46 from the previous month before, and down from 53 and down from 49. So you could see a trend where there's less homes going under contract, even though the number of homes currently on the market have been staying relatively even. The number of homes that sold and closed in the month of September was 32. And again, that was down from 41, down from 42. And we are starting to see some more red ink starting to happen in all of the suburbs that I keep track of. The average closed sold price for September for Geneva was 488,388, down from 567. That's a huge drop. That's $75,000, $80,000 of reduction. If you look at, the last couple months, we had 544 average sold price, 557, 567, and then 488. So there is something going on in the market. These higher interest rates, 8% and above, is definitely putting a crimp on things. But I'm seeing a lot more red ink of sellers cutting their prices once, twice, three times even before a home goes under contract. The average list price, however, did jump to $712,000, and that was up from $616. So almost $100,000 jump. There are some homes on some of the golf courses in Geneva that have been getting listed and going under contracts. That's probably pushing up the prices a little bit. So it's hard to tell exactly what's going on there. But the good factor here is that the average days on the market from the time that a home goes on the market for sale and goes under contract is only at 17 days, which is pretty good. If you look at last month was an aberration. We had 55 days was the average time on the market. But, the month before we were at 19, before that 23. So what this is telling me is that if a home is in good shape and it's priced correctly, it's still selling quickly. There are more buyers than sellers still, but this average sold price is kind of concerning considering, the list prices have been sixes, but the average sold price is 488. Kind of concerns me a little bit. So that's the report for Geneva. If you have any questions at all about real estate, you want a market analysis of what your home is worth right this minute, not 30 days ago, not 60 days ago, feel free to give me a call, 847-922-8423. That's 847-922-8423. I'd love to hear from you. Any real estate questions, you want a market analysis, I'd be happy to talk to you. So hope you had a great Labor Day weekend last month in September, and we got Halloween coming up. So hopefully you got some great plans for Halloween and the upcoming holidays. We'll see you on November 1st. Again, if you have any questions, give me a call. Take care.